So now let's see how we can work around with HTML style and sending options inside of Thunderbird. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the tools menu and then I'm going to go under settings right here. So once I go ahead around over here, under the composition section right here, you can simply go around and scroll down onto the HTML style section. So here you can see that there are various HTML styles that you can actually select. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and select out the font that I want, and I can also go around and choose, let's say, for example, a huge size of font right here. So you can also go ahead and then choose different options as you can see as you want. And here you can see that you can send the you can choose the sending format to be automatic and choose both HTML and plain text and only HTML as you can see right here. So depending on whether the end user mail client support HTML or not, they will be receiving this in HTML format if this is selected. So if I were to go around and create a new mail now right here, just like this, then what happens is that it starts using HTML right here according to the font that I choose right here. So just like this, you can see that it is using huge font right here in the style that I want. So you can see that this is what you have right here. So let's just go around over here and then you can see that this particular font right here that I chose in the setting is being used, and everything being used right here is in HTML format. So that is how you can work around with the HTML style and sending options inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.